Now that you've unpacked your TV and its accessories, installing the stand is a snap. Your TV's box should have included these stand components. Make sure you have all of them before you proceed. The stand feet are interchangeable, so you can install them on either side. You can also adjust the height of the stand feet. Just make sure that both stand feet have the same height position before installing. For 75-inch and 85-inch televisions, you'll have a couple of options on stand placement. Be sure to use the same position for the stands. Now, you'll attach the stand feet to the panel. Depending on your TV's model and size, installing the stand feet may involve the TV being oriented vertically, but we'll be demonstrating this process on one of our smaller models. Take one of the stand feet and with this side facing towards the back of the TV, slide it all the way in until it snaps into place. Repeat this for the other side. Be sure to slide it in all the way. Now, with the help of a friend, move your TV into place. Be sure to support the TV from the bottom and only use your hands at the top to steady and guide the TV. Do not pinch the TV screen. If your TV is 85 inches, you'll need 4 people to move it. Now let's get connected. First, plug in the power cable to the back of the TV panel. You'll wait to connect it to power until you've plugged in all your sources. For a seamless look, use the grooves to hide away the cable if your TV has them. And keep the cord nicely tucked away with the cable holder. Depending on your TV size, your panel may have protective padding on the vertical edges of the display. If so, you can remove this now. Finally, just attach your cable box, game consoles, home audio components, and other gear. Plug in your power cable, and you're all set to enjoy your new TV.